Chronic disease is crippling our world, destroying families and creating incredible suffering. More and more people are struggling with their weight, chronic pain, memory loss, digestive problems, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. But what if there was a healing strategy that cost you nothing and could transform the health of every cell in your body? What if I told you that every great sage throughout history, including Plato, Hippocrates, Aristotle, Da Vinci, and even Jesus Christ himself, practiced and taught this healing strategy? Yes, the healing strategy I'm talking about is fasting. This ancient healing practice dates back to the beginning of mankind, where our bodies were forced to adapt to times of famine and food scarcity on a regular basis. Our DNA built in molecules that allowed us to become more energy efficient during times of fasting. We developed a cellular cleansing strategy called autophagy, wherein the immune system breaks down older cells and uses the raw materials to form new, healthy, and stronger cells. We also developed unique bioenergetic compounds from our own body fat called ketones that fuel us during these times and help us preserve muscle mass and powerfully reduce inflammation in the brain and body. Hi, I'm Dr. David Jockers, and I have used fasting to help my body overcome irritable bowel syndrome and skin cancer and live with incredible energy and vitality. Over the last 10 years, I've seen thousands of cases of chronic health conditions get better with the use of intermittent and therapeutic fasting regimens. My partner, Dr. Geza Goli, and I interviewed experts in fasting from around the world who specialize in the research and application of the fasting lifestyle. In the Fasting Transformation Summit, you're going to learn what conditions can benefit from fasting, the most common myths about fasting, how to get started with intermittent fasting, the best healing strategies for optimal health, and so much more. I created the Fasting Transformation Summit to empower you to live stronger and get a powerful edge in life. And I invite you to join us for this free online event.